Someone gave me this printer. This is the third print I've done on it. 17 hours? Not too bad. Had to replace the nozzle, set the bed level, adjust the V-rollers, change some PTF tube. VoxLab Ender Clone is definitely a decent, cheap-ass printer. One thing I did have to do was shim the bed with some blue tape, a couple layers in the center, because no matter how much you level the bed, the center was low. But a couple shims of blue tape fixed that. Turned out pretty well. The support side is definitely not as good. Supports broke off, I'd say a 5 out of a 10 on how good they could have popped off, but for a $100 printer, third print done on it, no file modifications, using Orca Slicer, pretty solid print for the Rex Blaster. Pretty sweet. Here's my supports. Broke off in a few pieces.